Length recorded at 3.2 meters. Weight is 8.5 kilograms.
Confirmed. Data logged and condition noted as stable.
Okay, steady lift now.
Got it. Moving towards the container.
Careful, watch the hood.
It's secure.
The internal temperature is spiking at Sector 4. Are we compensating?
Adjusting coolant levels now. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauge.
At tôi làm những cái kiểm soát rồi quan để thấy được cái điện thoại sử dụng điện thoại. Điều vậy của chúng thì mới tập lý xuống.
Scan alignment confirmed. Soft tissue protocol initiated. Treatment parameters are nominal.
Specialized enzymes gently dissolve soft tissue while leaving bones intact. This controlled chemical process preserves.
Over several hours, the cobra's soft tissue is carefully removed. South Asian male and female
Specialized enzymes gently dissolve soft tissue while leaving bones intact. This controlled chemical process preserves.
Over several hours, the cobra's soft tissue is carefully removed. South Asian male and female
Even after chemical and biological cleaning, delicate manual work ensures bones are perfectly prepared.
Proper vertebral alignment ensures anatomical accuracy. This step is crucial for scientific study and museum presentation.
Even the smallest bones are meticulously cleaned. Precision handling prevents breakage and maintains structural fidelity.
Cobra tails are carefully preserved to complete the skeletal structure. This attention to detail ensures the entire skeleton is anatomically correct.
The skeletal reconstruction phase begins in a controlled environment. Every bone is carefully aligned to recreate the cobra's natural anatomy. Each vertebra is aligned with precision. Microwires maintain correct spacing, preserving the snake's natural curves. The rib cage is reconstructed to maintain structural integrity. Precision placement ensures accurate anatomical representation.
The skull is the centerpiece of the skeleton. Careful mounting preserves fangs and delicate cranial features.
Tail vertebrae are aligned with precision to maintain the snake's elegant, natural posture. Alignment is verified to the micron level. Each adjustment ensures scientific accuracy and aesthetic integrity. Microwires provide stability while remaining unobtrusive. They allow the skeleton to be handled or displayed safely. Articulating the jaw preserves realistic movement for anatomical study. Fangs remain intact and aligned.
The skeleton is tested for natural flexibility. Every vertebra must move slightly without compromising the structure.
Watch the cervicals, they are very delicate.
Okay, bringing the mount closer now. This ridge here seems consistent with the digitized model.
Agreed. Let's cross-reference the vertebrae next.
Look closely at the curvature of the spine here, particularly the lumbar region.
Is that consistent across all the models?
Generally, yes, but note the slight variations in density.
Keep it slow and steady. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Okay, we are clear. Bringing it down now.